June 2nd dawn arrives anew, stories bold unfolding true. Peace talk, strive, ambition soar, champions crown storms offshore. Envoys gather by the sea, trading plans of what might be. Borders drawn, security's aim, yet distant thunder whispers blame. Each quiet word, each cautious sign, peace and peril intertwine. AI sparks a soaring rise, chips like gold demand defies. Blackwell's launch, profits stream, $1 billion silicon dream. Markets cheer, investors glean, fortunes built on code unseen. Bankers speak of cautious cuts, guiding Europe's stubborn struts. Rates near neutral, pause and wait, balancing fears with hope's debate. Figures dance on fragile threads, forecast whispers, cautious treads. Munich hosts a dazzling show, Paris reigns with crushing blow. Douai's goals ignite the night, a city bathed in red-blue light. Cheers erupt, proud hearts align, history claimed a treasured sign. Storms ahead, Atlantic wakes, Noah's voice, urgent stakes. Preparation, watchful eyes, lessons learned as oceans rise. Skies forewarn, seasons shift, nature's power swift and swift. June the 2nd's tales unfold, peace pursued, achievements bold. Between storms and victories won, another day beneath the sun.